In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove animations in Canva. If you've ever downloaded a design and been surprised by text or graphics that slide, fade, or bounce, this will help you make everything completely static so your final file looks clean and consistent. Start by opening your design in Canva. Give it a moment to load so all of your elements are selectable. Now, click directly on the item that's animated. This could be a piece of text, an image, or a graphic. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around it. If you are unsure which elements have motion, a quick way to tell is to click an object and look at the toolbar above the editor. If you see the word animate, or you see the name of an effect like fade, rise, or pop, that element has an animation applied. With your animated item selected, head to the top toolbar and click Animate. This opens the animation panel on the left or as a strip across the top, depending on your screen size. Here, Canva shows all the available motion effects, along with the one that's currently active. This panel is where you control how and if things move. To remove the motion, scroll to the top or bottom of that panel and choose None, or click Remove Animation if you see that option. Both do the same thing, they make your selected element static. You'll notice the effect name disappears from the toolbar once it's removed, which is a quick visual confirmation that the animation is gone. A helpful note: Canva supports two kinds of animations on individual elements and at the page level. What you change depends on what's selected. If the panel says Page Animations, that means it's referring to the whole page's behavior. If it says Element Animations, you are editing just the item you clicked. Either way, choosing None removes the movement for whatever is currently targeted. Repeat the same process for any other animated items in your design. Select the object. Click Animate. Then choose None or Remove Animation. It's that simple. If you plan to export a video or GIF, removing animations ensures elements won't slide or fade in the final file. And if you are exporting a static format like PNG or PDF, you'll still want to remove animations to keep your editor preview consistent with your download. That's all you need to make your Canva design completely still and professional. Thanks for watching.